Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Wells Fargo for policy payments and alerts, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin your subscription for policy payments and alerts with Wells Fargo, visit the official Wells Fargo website. On the home page, locate and select the Sign On button in the upper right corner. Enter your username and password to access your account. If you do not have an account, click on Enroll to create an account. After logging in, navigate to the Accounts tab on the dashboard. In the drop-down menu, select Insurance or the specific policy you wish to manage. Look for the option labeled Manage Payments or Payment Preferences. Click on this option to access payment settings for your policy. You will see choices for different types of payments and alerts. Select the option for recurring payments if you wish to set up automatic withdrawals. Enter the necessary details for your payment method, including bank account information. Next, specify the amount and frequency of payments that you prefer. For alerts, find the section labeled Alert Preferences. Choose the types of notifications you would like to receive, such as payment confirmations or due date reminder. Enter your preferred contact method for alerts, whether by email or text message. After selecting your preferences, ensure all information is accurate. Finally, click the Save button to confirm your settings. Your subscription for policy payments and alerts is now set up with Wells Fargo. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.